Every premium chocolate bar begins its journey as a tiny seed nestled within the fertile, nutrient-rich soils of the world's most vibrant and lush tropical region. In this hidden corner of the world, life starts with a quiet miracle. A single sprout emerges from the ground, fueled by the Earth's natural universe. The hands of experienced farmers nurture these fragile seedlings, providing the care and protection they need during their first critical months of growth in the nursery. As years pass, the cocoa tree reaches toward the canopy, establishing a strong foundation and preparing to produce the fruit that will become a global treasure. Unlike most trees, cocoa produces its flowers directly from the trunk. These tiny, intricate blossoms are the delicate precursors to the heavy pods that follow later. Only a small fraction of these flowers will successfully transform into pods. This natural selection ensures that only the strongest fruits continue their development on the tree. The trees become a palette of colors as the pods grow. It takes nearly 6 months for a pod to reach full maturity and ripeness for harvest. Patience is essential as we wait for the perfect moment. The vibrant change in color signals that the sugars and complex flavors inside are finally ready. The plantation is a living ecosystem where biodiversity thrives. This balance between shade and sunlight is what gives our cocoa beans their unique and complex profile. Every pod carries the story of the season, absorbing the rain and the sun to create a unique flavor profile
Look
that
at those
varies
ripe
from one
ones up
harvest to
there.
another.
We should
As the
harvest them
harvest season
next.
arrives,
All
the
right.
community comes together.
Let's finish this row
Farmers
first.
move through the groves with a keen eye, looking for the telltale signs of peak ripeness. Using traditional tools, each pod is harvested by hand. This precision ensures that the delicate flower cushions on the trunk are not damaged for future crops. A successful harvest is a moment of celebration. These pods represent months of hard work and the generous bounty provided by the rich tropical Mother Earth. Breaking open the pods reveals the hidden treasure inside. The beans are encased in a sweet, white pulp that smells like a mix of tropical fruits. The beans are carefully removed by hand, ensuring that no debris enters the mix. This raw material is the starting point for the world's finest chocolate. Once collected, the beans are transported to the fermentation site. Speed is of the essence to ensure the natural sugars in the pulp begin their transformation. Banana leaves act as a natural blanket, trapping the heat and allowing the fermentation process to occur in a controlled, traditional, and highly effective organic environment. Inside the boxes, the temperature rises naturally. This heat is a sign that the magic of fermentation is happening, breaking down bitterness and developing deep aromas. During these 5 to 7 days, the chemical structure of the bean changes forever. This is where the foundation of the chocolate flavor is truly built. Turning the beans is a physical and delicate task. It ensures that every single bean undergoes the same level of fermentation for a consistent and balanced taste. After a week of transformation, the beans emerge with a completely different character. They are now ready to leave the shade and meet the tropical sun. The drying stage is critical. The beans are spread out in thin layers to allow the moisture to evaporate slowly under the warmth of the natural sunlight. Constant movement is the key to perfect drying. Breaking the beans prevents mold and ensures that the outer shell hardens evenly across the entire sun-drenched batch. This traditional method allows the volatile acids to escape, further refining the flavor profile and preparing the beans for their long journey to the manufacturing facility. Quality control begins here on the terrace. An expert checks the internal color and moisture content to ensure the beans have reached the perfect stable state. Only the finest beans make the cut. Any imperfections or foreign materials are removed by hand, maintaining the purity of the harvest before it is bagged. The dried beans are packed into clean plastic bags. These bags protect the bean from debris from the storage and the harvest is ready to leave its home. This moment marks the transition from the rustic farmland to the sophisticated world of modern industrial chocolate production. As the truck heads toward the city, the beans carry with them the essence of the tropical earth, ready to be transformed into something truly extraordinary. The journey continues at the factory gates. Here, the well-powered nature meets the pursuit of modern engineering to unlock the full potential of cocoa. In this controlled environment, the beans are stored under optimal conditions. Maintaining the right humidity is crucial to preserving the quality achieved during the farm's drying. Every batch undergoes rigorous testing. Technicians inspect the beans for size, consistency, and quality, ensuring they meet the high standards required for premium chocolate manufacturing. The first step in the factory is a thorough cleaning. Specialized machines use vibration and air to remove any remaining impurities, leaving only the pure cocoa beans. Modern technology ensures absolute safety. High-intensity magnets and infrared scanners detect and remove any foreign objects that the human eye might have missed during initial sorting. Roasting is where the flavor truly awakens. The beans are tumbled in large drums, where precise heat control triggers the Maillard reaction, developing the signature aroma. Each origin requires a specific roasting profile. Our experts fine-tune the temperature and timing to highlight the unique floral and fruity notes of every specific package. The air is filled with the intoxicating scent of freshly roasted cocoa. Cooling the beans quickly is vital to stop the cooking process and lock in flavor. The roasting process makes the shell thin and crisp. This allows the winnowing machine to easily separate the unwanted outer casing from the precious nibs inside. In the winnower, powerful air currents act like a giant sieve. The light shells are blown away, while the heavier, flavor-packed nibs fall into the collection bins. These nibs are the purest form of cocoa. They are intensely flavorful and represent the part of what will soon become smooth, melted, and delicious dark chocolate. Grinding begins the physical transformation. As the nibs are crushed between heavy stones, the friction generates heat, causing the cocoa butter within to melt and flow. What was once solid is now liquid. This cocoa liquor is a smooth, rich paste that contains both the cocoa solids and the natural fats in harmony. This liquid gold is the base for all chocolate products. It is kept warm and constantly agitated to maintain its perfectly fluid and homogeneous state of being. To separate the components, we use extreme pressure. The hydraulic press exerts tons of force, squeezing the cocoa liquor through fine metal mesh filters with ease. The result is pure cocoa butter. This precious fat is what gives chocolate its smooth, creamy texture and its incredible ability to melt at human body temperature. With the butter removed, we are left with the cocoa plate. This dense, concentrated disc contains all the intense flavor. The cake is broken down and sent to the cold. Here, high-speed blades spin rapidly, grinding the hard chunks into an incredibly fine and airy brown powder. This fine cocoa powder is sifted to ensure a uniform particle size. It is perfect for baking, beverages, and as a key ingredient in many confectionery products. Every gram of powder is checked for purity and flavor intensity. Our quality control lab ensures that only the best products carry our brand's name to consumers. Now the art of blending begins. In these large mixing vats, the cocoa liquor is combined with precise amounts of sugar, milk, and additional cocoa butter. The recipe is a closely guarded secret. The balance of sweetness and cocoa intensity is what defines our signature taste and keeps our customers coming back for more. Initial mixing creates a coarse paste. It is flavorful but still lacks the silky smooth texture that characterizes high-end premium chocolate that we are known for. Conching is the most important step for texture. For hours, and sometimes days, the chocolate is kneaded and aerated to remove any remaining grittiness or acidity. As the conching continues, particles become so small they can no longer be felt by the tongue. The chocolate develops a sophisticated, mellow, and well-rounded flavor. The transformation is complete. The mixture has evolved into a perfectly smooth, homogeneous liquid that shines with a brilliant, healthy luster under the bright factory lights. Precision is key at every stage. We monitor the viscosity to ensure the chocolate will flow perfectly through the pipes and into the final molding machines. Before the chocolate can be shaped, it must be tempered. This process involves carefully cooling and reheating the chocolate to stabilize the cocoa butter crystals inside. Tempering gives chocolate its snap and its glossy finish. Without this step, the chocolate would be dull, soft, and wouldn't have that satisfying crunch when bitten into it. The molds are ready. Each one is perfectly clean and pre-warmed to the exact temperature to prevent any thermal shock when the liquid chocolate is finally poured. Automated nozzles fill the molds with mathematical precision. This ensures that every bar of chocolate is the exact same weight and thickness for the final consumer. Vibration is the secret to a perfect bar. By shaking the molds, we remove any trapped air bubbles, ensuring the internal structure is solid and perfectly smooth. In the cooling tunnel, the tempered chocolate solidifies. The controlled environment allows the crystals to set perfectly, locking in the shine and that signature crisp texture. As they emerge, the bars are fully formed. The gentle contraction during cooling makes it easy for the chocolate to release from the molds in one piece. Out of the molds and onto the line. This is the first time we see the final shape of the product, gleaming and ready for its beautiful packaging. Every single bar is inspected by hand. We look for a perfect surface, high gloss, and no visible defects, maintaining our commitment to absolute excellence. The chocolate is first wrapped in protective foil. This barrier preserves the aroma and protects the delicate surface from moisture and external odors during its long shelf life. The final touch is the outer packaging. Our designs reflect the premium nature of the chocolate inside, telling a story of luxury, craftsmanship, and deep tropical heritage. Efficiency meets care in the final packing stage. Modern robotics handle the bars with a gentle touch, ensuring they arrive at the store in perfect, pristine condition. The warehouse is a hub of activity. From here, our chocolate will be shipped to connoisseurs and enthusiasts in every corner of the world, near and far. The moment of anticipation has arrived. fine chocolate is a sensory experience that begins with the sight of the gold and the sound. Listen for the snap. A clean break is the ultimate sign of a perfectly tempered bar, indicating the high quality of the cocoa butter and the process. Before the first bite, we savor the aroma. The complex notes of roasted cocoa, vanilla, and tropical fruit tell the story of the bean's long, careful journey. As it melts, the flavors unfold in layers. The silky texture coats the palate, delivering a long-lasting and incredibly satisfying experience that only real chocolate can provide. It is a journey of two worlds. The raw beauty of the tropical farm and the sophisticated precision of the factory work together in perfect, seamless harmony. At the heart of every bar are the people. From the farmers who plant the seeds to the artisans who refine the flavor, it is a labor of love. The cycle of nature continues. As one harvest ends, the trees are already preparing for the next, ensuring the world never runs out of its favorite sweet treat. The versatility of cocoa is endless. Whether in a solid bar or a warm, comforting drink, its rich essence brings joy and comfort to people everywhere. Chocolate is more than food. It is a medium for art. Its unique properties allow creators to push the boundaries of what is possible in the culinary world. Chocolate is meant to be shared. It brings people together, marking special occasions and creating lasting memories that are as sweet as the chocolate itself. Truly special. Our logo is a promise of quality. It represents our dedication to the traditional methods of the past and the innovative technologies of the bright, promising future. From the deep roots in the earth to the final masterpiece in your hand, we invite you to taste the passion and the mystery of quality as a constant pursuit. Every small batch of nibs is tested to ensure that the flavor profile matches our exact standards for excellence. The human palate is the ultimate judge. Our master chocolatiers use their years of experience to identify the subtle nuances that make our chocolate truly world class. It is a chocolate for every preference. By adjusting the proportions of cocoa and milk, we create a spectrum of flavors to delight every single chocolate lover. We also experiment with local flavors. Adding natural spices and real vanilla beans enhances the cocoa, creating a unique and exotic sensory journey for the adventurous palate. The purity of our process is visible. In our state-of-the-art facility, every step is designed to keep the chocolate clean, safe, and of the highest possible quality. Even a half-degree difference can ruin the batch. This level of precision is what separates industrial candy from the fine art of true premium chocolate making. Design is part of the experience. We create beautiful shapes that not only look stunning but also enhance the way the chocolate melts on the top. Innovation drives us forward.
I shall
By
have this
using the
one,
latest
the
engineering
dark
tools,
chocolate
we can
with a
bring new ideas
delicate
to life
gold
quickly,
leaf.
constantly
Very
evolving
good.
our products for our loyal chocolate fans. Every detail matters. The vibration table is carefully calibrated to ensure that even the smallest air pockets are eliminated, resulting in a dense and perfect chocolate bar. Scale and precision work hand in hand. We invite you to taste the result of our hard work, our passion, and our love for fine chocolate. Our name is synonymous with excellence. We are proud of our heritage and excited to share our passion for cocoa with you, today and every single day. Remember the journey, remember the earth, the sun, and the hands that made this possible. Every bite is a tribute to the incredible world of premium cocoa. As a new day begins, we continue our mission to grow, to refine, and to create the world's best chocolate, one bean and one bar at a time. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Discover the true essence of perfection in every single bite of our artisanal, handcrafted premium cocoa and premium